and it's a majority element, okay, in an array. So first of all, we need to read the carefully these questions and understand about what approach will be work for this, okay. So here we have array with the size of n and written the majority element. The majority element is element that appear more than n by 2. It means nums of size is n and by 2 times you may assume that the majority element always exists in the array, okay. So there is a 3 2 3, output 3, and here 2 2 1 1 1 2 2, okay. So majority of 2 in this array class. So here constraint is this and this. The input generated such that majority element is exist in the array, okay. So in these topics we can do with the hash table, divide and conquer, sorting and counting. These topics depends on these questions, okay. So first of all we are going with the over brute force approach, okay. So here I am going with this int I equal to 0, I less than nums of length and I plus plus. There is a second loop for int j equal to 0, j less than nums dot length, okay, and j plus plus. If num of I equal to num of j. So here we have 3 2 2 and 2 2 1 1 1. So there is a repeating, okay. So here we need to take a count variable, okay, in count equal to 0, okay. So here I am going to count plus plus, okay. So according to this approach, brute force approach, first over I and after that j iterate all over the element, okay. So in all our iterations our count values will be reached around n by 2, okay. So here we are checking if count greater than nums dot length divided by 2, okay. So return the nums of I, that element, okay. Otherwise return minus 1, right? Okay, let's run this program. Okay, so it's executed successfully. So both test cases are passed. Just submit. So here our beats is 5% only, okay. In the descriptions we have the other topics, hash tables, sorting, counting, divide and conquer. So I think we should try all the topics, okay. So I'll be cover in next videos and how we can optimize the over brute force in a good way. Thank you for the watching.